Absolutely beautiful scene. Sunset to the west. I'm located at the most west point of Monroe County, closest to basically Lake Ontario. What you're witnessing right now is the sun setting, and those clouds right below it are a massive snow band stretching right across down to the south. What's cool is when you get far enough out from bands like this, you can see the sunset and see the sun, and now you see why these snow bands can stay for forever, because when you're under them it's completely cloudy and you don't realize it, but right above, because that cloud is so low, that right above is that sun that creates that endless convection. So you got warm on the top, warm on the bottom, and all this cold just squeezed in between. And that's why we have this small little gap. It's been snowing, well, falling grapple all day, but there's a massive band coming off of the lake right now. Should be exciting and interesting. Figured I would share. And the very, very small particles are coming in from that band. It's going to be real heavy to work through. Hopefully, keep fingers crossed, see some thunder snow tonight. Depending on where the bands are, I actually might go out and chase it, so more to come. Enjoy your day. Que lindo.